Big 4K, let's go. Big MGK, big 4K, let's go. 4 more eyes, they broke. The chocolate can with the scope. Whoa, whoa, big 4K, yeah. All down.
That motherfucker was.
Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to the video. Today we are in Mobile, Alabama. Me and Raven made the drive down last night from Jasper. But yeah, we're down here for a show at a drag strip in Mobile. It's supposed to have Donk racing and everything going on out there. But yeah, if you guys are excited, make sure you push that like button, push it out there. Subscribe. We're about 200 subs away from 9,000 as of the time speaking. So yeah, I think we're gonna hit it here soon. Drop a comment at the end of the video what y'all thought about it. And I guess I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get there. About 20 minutes out, so it shouldn't be long. All right, y'all, we made it to the drag strip. Not much is out here just yet. People are still setting up. We're going to slide out, try to get some food down the road. I talked to Gage Ryan. He's down the road. I'm gonna go pull up on him. We might grab some quick food real quick because Mel ain't even here yet. I think people are still trying to get here. But yeah, there's a lot of donks here. There's a drag strip. This is gonna last till nighttime. So I'm assuming we're gonna have some big wheel racing. I do see the Donk Master trailer as well. So we might get it up to some rowdy stuff tonight. I'm super excited. But let's go pull up on Gage and see what he's doing. We stopped at this gas station. I don't know what the hell happened here last night. I mean, it makes sense though, because we are in Mobile. Looks like they hit the trash can, put trash everywhere, and tore out the side of the building. I don't know what's going on, but somebody had a rough night.
I ain't get these from no doctor, but these person hard, so I still got a pop. Bitch line, can't stop to my good girl, I'll make her eat it and swallow. My night stay in that mouth like ghost. Me and 2 trying to get how we serve, My mama told me to stop, but don't stay to pull, let's go. 100 round drum on a chop 2 circles. You play with the guy, then we pull up this shirt. I'ma drop this song on live to show my fans. These niggas, they run in circles, trying to keep up with a double. He get pop like a ball, my young niggas shoot like ruckus, palm. Chopper gon' hit him, let's go. Walk some down for some rain, fuck a job. Yo, fuck a job. Walk some down for a rain, fuck a job. Get smart, still run around on the throwing cars. Got 100,000, 400K to the day I lay, slack. Big walk down, CEOs, nigga.
Alright, we're headed back to the show with Gage. We're about to stop by this gas station up here. But yeah, we're about to head back to the show. I see a bunch of donks out in town, so I think tonight's probably gonna get pretty rowdy. People are waiting until it's racing time. But I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get over here and we find something interesting. God dang. You got the Donk Master out here. I think we're gonna see some racing from these two tonight. God almighty, dude. Look at that thing. I guarantee you this thing right here is fast. Oh, hell yeah, it is. These are Rushi forged wheels with bead locks, dude. What the hell? Oh my God, this paint color right here is super close to what I think I want on my truck. Super clean. I love this. This is beautiful. When I get me a little bit of money one day, man, I'm telling you, I'm gonna have something like this. This is the dream right here.
Oh, I like that color.
That color is beautiful. Woo! That rear end looks nice.
It's your turn, fire. Let's get it. Girl.
Right here, bro. He said he just took a punch out of it. What the? God.
Well, you know that shit illegal in South Carolina.
It is.
Why not? That boy's bragging ass.
Alright, y'all, we went down the road. I got me a drink. Raven had to get her something to snack on. But I think I'm about to swap over to the camera because I'm tired of carrying around my phone. I look like an idiot. But yeah, I'm gonna swap y'all over to the camera. I'm still gonna try and get some cinematics on my phone before we leave though. But yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all up when we get back in here on the camera.
And all the plaques, y'all just gonna hand the plaques out.
What the hell?
These just top 5, but some of these got plaques too. But you just have to go through and find out.
To me, get my motion, granny, jumping fresh, it's full of dope and holly. Hold up, hold up. In a new 3-8 chain, I got that bitch on her knee. Baby, anything, she ain't gotta ask me, please. I'm a killer pussy. Get that show and time, can't come in no more. Big ass round new white like him on block. Follow it all that coke.
Keep clapping it.
Oh, you better come over.
Screw it, why not? How is it still alive, bro? What the hell? 3 minutes. I've been recording for 3 minutes. 3 minutes, bro. 3 minutes. Jesus Christ. I got money on this one over here, right lane. Just because I like it more. This one might be faster, I don't know. Right lane got it. Let's go.
After hearing 7,000 RPMs and seeing a with a BBL shaking on the stage,
Hey, f all that. Go add me on Instagram, nigga, Jermaine 2 times. You already know the f going on. I'm drunk in that bitch, nigga. Hoes out of east side, nigga.
we got barbecue, we got titties and ass, we got big motors, squatter trucks, donks on Ruchis.
Hey,
We in this bitch.
Where the barbecue at?
The barbecue, it's over there.
It's free?
No, it's not free.
I'm not. Yo, I am a black nigga. What the hell do I look like paying for barbecue?
Give them a Twisted Tea, they'll probably give you a free plate.
See them black niggas, they want Michelob Orchards and shit, man.
That motherfucker running now.
What? Hey, don't touch the camera, man. Stop. Look at that turbo. Oh my god, you got a turbo. Jesus, dude.
I'm gonna take that cash up in for you, boy.
Oh hell. Something ain't right with that. Alright y'all, what's up? Once again, I forgot to film an outro in Mobile. After that last race, we kind of got tired. It was like 12 o'clock at night. So we headed back to my sister's house to get prepared to leave back home for the next day. But yeah, that was the end of it. Hope you guys did enjoy. I definitely had a bunch of fun. Definitely gonna have to go back down there if they have any more of those events. But yeah, if you did like it, make sure you drop a comment. Tell me what you thought about it. I know a lot of you guys probably will enjoy it. Make sure you drop a like as well. It'll push the videos out there. I do notice all your guys' likes. I appreciate that. And of course, we're about 140 subs away from 9,000. That would mean everything to me if we could hit 9,000. That just means we're one step closer to 10K. But yeah, go hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the like button. Leave a comment what you thought. I'll read them. And yeah, I guess we'll see you guys next week. Probably gonna drop a video next week from a previous week on a truck review that I did with a guy. So make sure you guys look out for that one. I appreciate all you watching, and we'll be back next week.
I won't never see a fat savings account in my life again.
I'll probably suck a dick for one of these cars.
Whoa, whoa, hey, whoa, 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 whoa.
We